At the 2025 Imola Grand Prix, the tension between McLaren teammates Lando Norris and Oscar Piastri reached a boiling point, resulting in a crash that not only ended Norris's race, but also inflicted serious damage to McLaren's championship aspirations. Both drivers were locked in a fierce battle for the championship, with Piastri leading and Norris close behind. The tight, unforgiving track of Imola acted as the perfect stage for this drama to unfold, as each driver fought tooth and nail for supremacy. The incident began with a seemingly routine exchange of positions early in the race. Norris maneuvered past Piastri to take P4, igniting a fierce competitive spirit within the Australian. Not one to be easily sidelined, Piastri retaliated with a bold overtake, reclaiming his previous position. However, the intensity escalated when Norris, emboldened by fresher tires, attempted to reclaim the lead on turn 3, a corner known for its difficulty. In a moment of ambition, Norris squeezed into a too narrow gap, resulting in a catastrophic collision. The sight of Norris careening into the barriers while Piastri, nursing damage, limped back to the pits painted a grim picture for McLaren. The aftermath of this crash not only left fans divided on social media, some labeling Norris's move as reckless, while others defended Piastri for not yielding, but also raised major questions about the future of McLaren's title hopes. The team, once the dominant force in racing, now had to reckon with the fallout of an internal rivalry that echoed memories of the infamous Hamilton-Button crash from 2011. Team principal Andrea Stella, despite maintaining a diplomatic facade, was undoubtedly frustrated, highlighting the urgent need for his drivers to prioritize the team over individual ambition. As the championship season unfolds, McLaren must navigate the treacherous waters of managing two competitive drivers, desperately hoping to avoid further missteps that could cost them dearly in the championship chase. The question remains, can they reconcile this rivalry, ensuring their focus remains on the ultimate prize?